How do you turn your social media passion into a profitable venture? Imagine making money while doing something you love, like sharing your favorite products, offering advice, or showcasing your creativity. The good news is, you don't need millions of followers to start. In fact, even with a modest following, you can start earning on social media. Intrigued? Let's dive into the practical steps to monetize your social media presence and explore various ways you can turn your online activity into a steady income stream. Number 1. Become a micro-influencer. You don't need a massive following to make money on social media. Micro-influencers, those with 1,000 to 10,000 followers, can earn by featuring brands in their posts. According to Hype Auditor, Instagram influencers with fewer than 10,000 followers can charge $20 to $100 per post. The more followers you have, the higher your earning potential. For instance, influencers with 500,000 to 1 million followers can charge up to $7,000 per post. Focusing on a niche market can also boost your earnings. By targeting a specific audience, you can attract brands willing to pay more for your targeted reach. Whether it's fitness, fashion, or food, honing in on a niche helps you stand out and become an expert in that area, which can lead to higher engagement and better opportunities. Number 2. Partner with brands. Partnering with brands is a flexible and lucrative way to earn money on social media. Collaborations with brands can legitimize your influencer status and open doors to more partnerships. Many creators use social media as a side hustle, supplementing their full-time income with sponsored content, ads, or exclusive content for brands. To attract brands, position yourself in a way that meets their needs. Create a pitch deck or press kit showcasing your best posts, reach, and engagement metrics. Share case studies of past collaborations if you have them. Demonstrating your value to potential partners is key to securing deals. Number 3. Become an affiliate partner. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn passive income by recommending products or services. Companies pay a commission for each sale generated through your referral links or codes. It's a simpler version of brand partnerships with lower commissions, but easier accessibility. Promote your unique referral codes and links on your social media platforms. This strategy doesn't require any upfront investment, making it an excellent option for beginners. Many influencers share affiliate codes for brands they love, earning a commission on each sale made through their recommendations. Research various affiliate programs to find the ones that offer good commission rates and frequent payouts. Number 4. Sell your own products. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok have enabled direct sales, allowing you to sell products without an e-commerce site. You can sell private label products, print-on-demand designs, or partner with a dropshipper to start quickly. Platforms like Shopify allow you to launch an online store and integrate it with your social media channels, creating a seamless multi-channel business. This integration lets you manage your sales and marketing efforts from a single platform, streamlining your operations and maximizing your reach. Number 5. Sell your own merch. If you've built a strong personal brand, turning it into merchandise can be highly profitable. Social media is perfect for promoting branded products like apparel, accessories, or home decor. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up an online store and integrate it with your social media channels. Take inspiration from creators like Julia Roblin, a Canadian artist who turned her TikTok success into a thriving merch business. She started selling stickers, apparel, and tattoo mock-ups to her followers, leveraging her social media presence to drive sales. You don't need extensive experience to get started. Use print-on-demand services to handle production and shipping, allowing you to focus on design and marketing. Promote your merch through engaging posts, stories, and collaborations with other influencers. This approach not only generates income, but also strengthens your brand and deepens your connection with your audience. Number 6. Offer coaching or mentorship. Coaching or mentoring is another way to monetize your social media presence. Choose a niche, like helping businesses with social media strategies or coaching photographers on curating their feeds. You can offer one-on-one coaching, group sessions, membership programs, or paid communities. Bundling your services into packages can help manage your time and set clear expectations. For example, offer a certain number of social media posts for a flat fee or conduct an audit for a set rate. This approach ensures you maintain a professional relationship with your clients. Number 7. Sell online courses or ebooks. Transform your expertise into passive income by creating online courses or ebooks. This approach allows you to package your knowledge and sell it repeatedly. Whether you're an expert in fitness, cooking, marketing, or photography, there's an audience willing to learn from you. Start by identifying a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Create a detailed outline and develop high-quality content that provides real value. Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to host your courses, or sell your ebooks through your own website or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Promote your courses or ebooks on your social media accounts to reach your followers. Share testimonials, snippets of your content, and behind-the-scenes looks at your creation process to generate interest and build anticipation. Ensure your content stays up to date and relevant. Plan for regular updates, at least annually, to keep your audience engaged and informed. By maintaining high standards and continuously adding value, you can build a loyal customer base that trusts and relies on your expertise. This method not only generates income, but also establishes you as an authority in your field. Number 8. Make and sell digital products. Selling digital products is a flexible and creative way to earn money on social media. Digital products can range from art and design assets to educational materials and beyond. This venture allows you to leverage your skills and creativity to create valuable items that your audience will love. Consider offering digital art and design, such as illustrations, graphic designs, and customizable templates for social media posts and banners. If you're a photographer, sell high-quality stock photos, digital wallpapers, or Lightroom presets. Writers can create ebooks and guides, offering in-depth tutorials and insights into their niche. Printable planners and calendars cater to specific needs like fitness or productivity, while online courses can be hosted on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Musicians can sell digital music tracks, sound effects, or music production templates. Promote your digital products on your social media channels, showcasing how they can be used and the benefits they provide. Create eye-catching posts and stories that highlight your product's unique features and uses. With no physical inventory and the ability to reach a global audience, digital products offer an excellent opportunity to generate income and share your talents with the world. Making money on social media is more accessible than ever, with various avenues to explore depending on your interests and skills. Whether you're a micro-influencer, brand partner, product seller, or digital product creator, there's a way for you to turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. Start by identifying your niche, building your audience, and exploring the different monetization strategies discussed. With dedication and creativity, you can transform your social media activity into a rewarding income stream. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.